Power came up, the plugs cleared, and Mr. Mulligan in last 27 GPSs, there were no ran. Some trophies in the same year. Can you imagine, like the Kentucky Derby with 15 horses, 11 to 15 horses, all got the flag? And there it goes. Smoke on, and that's the winning of the race. Doug owns an operation. That's an air-cooled six-cylinder of 8,000 total hours of flight time in more than 50 different kinds of professional skywriters. And Hammond DHC-1, designed originally as a trainer for the Royal Canadian Air Force, or in for a display of Mulligan Aerobatics in this classic air show airplane. Ever since he was a young child, growing up in an aviation family, with experience flying aircraft ranging from World War I biplanes to corporate business jets, he's able to take a flying for his next maneuver. To keep his flying displays up close and personal. We've been here over top, and Terre Haute, you have been amazing. We really appreciate all you do for us. It gives us a big smile, and we hope we give you a big smile today. So thanks for coming out, and enjoy the show. Thanks, Nathan. Crowd heard you great. Nice job, my friend. And that 2 clicks on the microphone indicates that he is all set, and he'll be coming into land, I think, in just a second. Flying from that. You can get it wherever you get your podcasts, whether you're an aviator or not. The stories are compelling, and I hope you'll join us, for I learned about flying from Flying Magazine. Hope you'll listen. At the end of Nathan Hammond's performance, he did a weather check.
And I want to go up and talk to our air boss. Hey, boss announcer, can I put you over the PA system?
Why, certainly.
All right, you want to explain what Nathan told you with respect to the visibility horizontal and vertically?
Well, so horizontally, he said the cloud bases right now are about 1,000 feet, a little over 1,000 feet AGL. That's above ground level. And that gives us our dimensions in the height. And then the visibility is greater than 5 miles visibility. So our minimums that we have to have are 1,000 and 3,000 foot ceiling and 3 miles visibility. We have greater than 3 miles visibility, but we're working on that 1,000 foot ceiling. A lot of performers are limited by the ceiling that they have based on the maneuvers that they do, so that they can be safe all the time. So some can fly at 1,000, as you saw me. And some can fly 1,500 feet or higher to fly. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to make the best of the show as we can. Put some folks in. I think you're going to get to see some guy flying this Super Cub again here pretty soon and talk about it. And then we'll see what we can do. The A-10, she's standing right next to me. She's ready to go. We're just waiting for a break in the clouds. And someone told me that there's something coming this direction as far as a possible opening in the clouds. So we'll see what's going to happen. Everybody, we really appreciate you being here. Just hang out with us.